Hi, hello friends. This is your memory coach, Squadron Leader Jaisimha, the President, World Memory Sports Council for India. If you are a student studying in the school or college going teenager or you are preparing for any competitive exam, whether UPSC or state board, you need to remember something called countries and currencies. And when you go to any coaching institute, they'll give you a big list, so many countries and these are the currencies. And how to remember, they are not telling. So this information is available even on Google. That's not an issue. Issue is not that you don't know which country, which currencies. The question is how to remember. That's the question. See, the thing is, I got one country, France. The currency is what? Euro. When I give you this country called France, are you able to imagine how France looks? No idea. If I give you the currency called Euro, any picture? No. That means you are not able to get a picture. As we discussed earlier, brain has got a television and brain sees anything in picture language. It knows only one language called pictures. So when I say France, it's not able to get any picture. Euro, not getting picture. Then what you do? France, Euro, France, Euro, France, Euro, France, Euro. You try to repeat it 1,000 times. That's one way. That is the last method that we need to resort to if you are not able to use any other method. But you are with me, the number one memory coach. Then what to do? When you don't get a picture, you need to convert this into a picture. How? By using some common sense. See, France, I don't know. What I make something called prawns. What do you mean by prawns? Like fish and prawns. The seafood I'm talking about. Euro, I don't know. Hero, I know. So prawns, hero. Means imagine one hero went to catch some prawns. Prawns, hero, France, Euro, France, Euro, prawns, hero, prawns, hero, France, Euro. Rhyming, automatically remember. So next time I'm reading something of this kind, right? I'm reading something of this kind. So when I see this France, automatically, France means prawns. Who is catching prawns? Hero means Euro, automatically remember. Understood this? That's how I try and remember. For example, let me give you some currency. Australia, the currency is dollar. How I remember Australia? See here, when you say dollar, what is there? I get something called doll. Imagine a Barbie doll, right? Australia. So what I do? Ashtray. Ashtray means like when people smoke, they put the leftover in that ashtray. So ashtray, doll. So imagine one doll is smoking and keeping that, keeping whatever leftover, the smoke and the cigarette in an ashtray. Imagine ashtray and doll. So next time the moment you see ashtray in the house or in a hotel or any other place, doll means dollar, automatically remember. Albania, L-E-K. L-E-K, I don't know, but I can make this as lake. Lake. Albania means album. What is album? Photo album. So your photo album, it fell in the lake. So you are diving into the lake, and after diving into the lake, you are bringing out the album from the lake. My name is you are bringing out the album from the lake. That's a currency. Armenia, dram. So dram, I don't know, but I made something called drum. D-R-U-M, drum. Drum is like water storing drum, or else like any function, people keep on blowing the drum, right? So Armenia means what? Army. You people know I am from the Air Force, so this I'm talking about army. So army people, they're beating some drums, or army people filling the drums with water. So army people are actually beating the drums so that the enemies will run away, right? Next one, Bahrain, dinar. I don't know dinar, but I know dinner. Dinner. Bahrain. So what is the word is there? I got something called R-A-I-N, rain, barish. If I say Bahrain means Bahar. In Hindi, Bahar means outside, rain is coming. And even getting drenched in the rain, you are going out for a dinner, right? So, bahar means bahar rain is coming, getting drenched in the rain, you are going out for a dinner. Dinar means dinner, right? Cyprus, pound. Have you remember? Cyprus means what? I remember something called syrup. I'm talking about cough syrup. Pound, I don't know. What is coming to your mind? I make something called pond. Imagine the pond in your village is filled with syrup. What syrup? Maybe that syrup you have 1 spoon, never ever you will get corona, right? So syrup and then is filled in the syrup, right? Filled in the pond. Instead of water, syrup is there. Japan, yen. Japan means what? Yen means what? I make something called hen. Hen. Japan. If I say this, ja and then pan. Pan is something like meeta pan, zarda pan that you eat after dinner. Ja. If I give in Hindi, ja means what? Go. So, ja, get me some pan. You said one hen. It is going instead of you. Imagine a father told you, ja, get me some pan. And you say, Daddy, I am tired. So he is telling the hen, and hen went and brought some pan. So Japan, hen. Like this you can remember. So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and there 1, 7 countries and currency remembered. And then if you can do 10 countries every day, and I'm sure in just 15, 16 days, you'll be able to complete all the countries and currencies, right? So you can learn this method very, very easy. It will be very, very easy for you to remember, right? And if you want to know more, I want to learn all the countries and currencies. So I have given you the basic tips. You need to apply this method. You will be able to do it. But if you say, no, I want you to handhold me, then you need to come to me, JSimha Mind Education, the #1 memory academy in India, jsimha.in. We got lot of courses, how to memorize countries and currencies and everything that you really want to go for any exam. You can join the course. You can mail me at vijayanj@gmail.com. You can call us up. Our helpline numbers 9985031777, 9985041777, and I would love to be a partner in success. So from now, memory will no longer be a difficult thing. It will be an asset. Any exam, we are all going to be ready to crack that exam. See you again in the next video with some other topic. Until then, keep smiling. Bye bye. Love you all.